So this is something which I've been waiting a very, very, very long time to show you guys, only because I've been waiting to get my ESA certifications and whatnot on it, so that it was in compliance. So this is a eco standby system. I've got about, if you look at the battery box down there, I've got approximately 2,000 amp hours of storage in here, and it's all lead acid. None of it is lithium. We've got this brand new ALG-COM breaker panel in here. It's great. It takes DIN rail breakers and protects everything from you getting electrocuted and whatnot. It's great. We've got our two 65 amp chargers plus our 75 amp charger up top here, which gives us a total of, what is it, 65, so 205 amps charging ability. These guys will only charge from the generator. This has the ability to activate the generator when my batteries reach about 40%. Plus, it allows me to monitor my 12 volt voltage and my 120 volt mains voltage. This isn't hooked up just yet. That's for an accessory that I'm working on, as is this. Those are going to be tied in very shortly. I'm actually moving this over to my generator and putting in a Tycon Web 3 module, which gives me a lot more control over this cabinet, hence the additional units there. I'm going to have thermometers down in the bottom, or on each tier I should say, including in there, and heaters as well. But yeah, so the idea here is this is a Renogy inverter charger, 3 kilowatt, 9,000 watt surge. If mains fails, it immediately takes over, and I maybe see a minor blip in my electricity. Additionally, this is a automatic transfer switch. The generator ties in right here. It's a 30 amp 120 volt, which is more than what I need. This is the control lead, which actually has the power for the battery charger in the generator, plus the activator for the generator. All right, the activation relay. So that's this part of it. So now let's go around back for a second here. And I'll show you the generator. So I've modified this Generac generator. This is a 12 kilowatt Generac, and I've set it up to be standalone as I am a renter. We've got two 30-pound tanks here, and with my calculations, they'll do for about 14 hours continuous runtime, but realistically, the generator's only going to come on at 40% battery, which should take about 6-ish hours to top the batteries up. On the side here, we've got our panel. It's locked right now, but it's got two 40-volt 50 amp, 30 amp 120, and a regular duplex 120 20 amp. So that's the whole standby system in a nutshell, basically. And that's what keeps my office on when we have days without power. The cabinet itself will keep my place running for about 36 hours.